Enquanto isso, na sala de justiça.
O pneu tá novo, hein? Vai fazer feio aí, ó. Saceiro, ó. É, pra levar um tombo é um dois, essa porra de saceiro. Valeu, Juninho. Tchau, tchau.
Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yo, we about to start an epidemic with this one. Yeah, I know what this is.
Death. Got 30 down at the bottom, 30 more at the top. All invisible set and little ice cube blocks. If I could call it a drink, call it a smile on the rocks. If I could call out a price, let's say I call out a lot. I got like platinum and white gold, traditional gold. I'm changing grills every day, like Jay changed clothes. I might be grilled out nicely in my white tee on South Beach. In my wife beat, BB is studded. You can tell when they cut it. You see my grandmama hate it, but my little mama love it. Cause when I got a grill I call penny candy. You know what that mean? It look like nah later some drops jelly beans. I wouldn't leave it for nothing, only a crazy man would. So if you catch me in your city, somewhere out in your hood, just say smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? Come on, let me see your grill. Let you see my what? Your grill. Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill. She said smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? Let me see your grill. You wanna see my what?
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
What it do, baby? It's the Iceman power. Wow. I got my mouth looking something like a disco ball. I got the diamonds in the ice all hand said I might cause a cold front if I take a deep breath. My teeth gleaming like I'm chewing on aluminum foil. Smiling, showing off my diamonds, sipping on some potent oil. I put my money where my mouth is and bought a grill. 20 cans, 30 stacks, still know I'm so for real. My motivation is the 30 pointers, BBS, the energy in my mouthpiece, simply symbolize success. I got the wrist wear and neck wear that's captivating, but it's some smile that got these on like a spectating. My mouthpiece simply certified, a total package open up my mouth and you see more gas than a salad. My teeth are mind blowing, giving everybody chills. Call me George, call me cause I'm selling everybody grills.
What you looking at? Let me see your grill. Let you see my what?
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill. She said
Smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? Let me see your grill.
you wanna see my what?
Your grill.
Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yep, got them yellows, got them purples, got them reds. Life's gon' hit it, make you woozy in your head. You can catch me in my too short drop. I've got colors like a fruit, yeah.